everybody, welcome to Teen W Electronics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on high contrast mode on your Windows PC or whatever Windows device you have. Now before we start, I'd like to have a quick message from our sponsor. I would like to thank JP Premium for sponsoring this video. Now what I like about JP Premium is their electronics. Now they don't just sell electronics, they sell jewelry, fashion, swimwear, accessories, electronics, flag, and pool stuff. So in their electronics sections, they sell drones, they sell speakers, they sell white pods, which I really like the white pods, and they're on a really great sale right now. They also have Yeezy phone cases, a transparent phone case, other phone cases. I like the Hypebeast phone case a lot. So go check them out. A link will be in the description. And to get 10% off, use the code APRILSALE. So now to get high contrast on your Windows device, you need to open settings. You need to go, well, since you'll already be at home, you need to go to personalization and then to background. And then once you're in background, you need to scroll down and you'll see under related settings, high contrast settings. So you need to click on that, and here you get to adjust your high contrast. So right now we're going to turn it on, and it'll say please wait. And so now you're in high contrast, and mine was on high contrast theme number 1. So then you're going to put it in, you can either put it in high contrast number 2, high contrast black, or high contrast white. High contrast white is my least favorite. It just kind of hurts my eyes. But high contrast number 1 is probably my favorite. So to turn it off, you can either press left alt, left shift, and print screen to turn it on or off, or you can just turn it off. So I just turn it off like this, and it'll go through please wait again, and then you're back to normal. So that is it for this video. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe.